How to change your Google account password on Android. This tutorial shows you how to update it directly from the Google app. First, open the Google app on your Android device. From there, tap your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap Manage your Google account to open your account settings. At this point, scroll through the tabs and tap Security. From there, scroll down and tap Password under the How you sign in to Google section. Following this, Google will ask you to verify your identity before making any changes. Go ahead and use your fingerprint or enter your device PIN to confirm. Don't be alarmed if the screen goes black for a moment when the fingerprint prompt appears. That's just a privacy measure. After that, if you'd rather verify a different way, tap Try Another Way to get options like receiving an OTP on your email or approving the request from another device where you're already signed in. Once your identity is verified, you'll be taken to the password change screen. From here, type in your new password. Make sure it includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Finally, tap Change Password to save your new password, and you're all set. That's how you update your Google account password on Android. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then.